Hi everyone, it's Matthew again, and today is the 1st of August 2023, and there's a trade going here. So after this trade, you can see we won that trade here. I'm going to explain this strategy to you. Today we're going to be dropping 3 strategies, and it's going to be high-low strategies across all our channels. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels to watch all our strategies for today. So here we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index. It's up again, so we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index. I placed another trade here, so let's wait for the outcome of that trade. It's dropping down again, so that's the second trade. So you can see we won that trade again. So we're going to be trading the Volatility 25 index, and we are on day trader. So once you log into your trading account, you go to Volatility 25 index, then you make sure you go to high low right here. You set it to high low, then you set the tick to 5 ticks. Just set the tick to 5 ticks, then you set the barrier to plus 0.298 plus 0.298. so you set the barrier to plus 0.298, then you enter the amount you want to take right there. So we are going to be trading the lower. Once this thing is right up, make sure it rebounds. You can see it drops down. Make sure it goes back up before you click on lower. So we are going to place a trade again. So you can see we've already won 2 trades right there. So it's up. You can see where it was before I placed that trade. So let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see that's the 3rd straight win there. That's the 3rd straight win right there. So we're going to place another trade again after this timeout. For those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right there, and the boat is just $9.99 USD. To order the boat, visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng, and there are several payment options on the other page. The boat is automated and works on Deriv interface. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. For those who haven't purchased the PIPSREAPER boat, is the boat right there is $7.99 USD. To order the boat, visit binary PIPSREAPER.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat, and our boats now comes with the free static indices trading ebook. You also get 4 free Deriv trading books as well, and you get the Forex trading ebook, which also include the free Forex trading board as well. So make sure you place your order, then all these links will be included in the order that you will receive. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So these are the links again. We are going to paste all these links in the video description on YouTube. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, check the description to access all these links. So this is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat right here, and this is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boats. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account. For those who don't have a trading account, new traders, use this link to sign up for a trading account, the Deriv trading account. Here is the link to subscribe to our channels. As the 1st channel, this is the 2nd channel, and this is the 3rd channel. Subscribe to all our channels. So we also paste the link to sign up for Forex broker platform here. Is also included in the ebook. We also paste the ebook link right here, where you get the free Forex trading book. Is the link to download the book is in the ebook. So this is the link to download the Forex trading book, and this is the link to download the binary options synthetic indices trading ebook. The link to download the 4 free books are included right there. So here is the link to join our forum to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trade. Let's place one more trade. Okay, so let's go for our last trade now. Let's go for our last trade. So let's wait for it to go right up. Okay, it's up. So make sure you wait for it to go right up before you place the trade. So you can see we won that trade. We won that trade right there. We won that trade. So it's trade win. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Bye.